So I want you to listen very carefully. There's 3 steps to designing and building an amazing startup website, and I'm going to take you through those exact 3 steps in this video. What are the 3 steps? The first one is the right messaging. Second step is the right design. And the third step is the right lead generation model or strategy. If you can nail these 3 steps, then you'll have a website for your startup, for your company that generates leads, that generates trust with not just your potential clients, but also investors and potential partners. First step is the right messaging. And what messaging is basically your marketing, your copywriting. What are you actually saying on your website? If your website is the gun, then your messaging is the bullets. And the problem with most websites is that they're firing blanks. Their messaging is not landing with their clients because it's not the right type of messaging. So the first step to building a website is to actually put the website aside for a second and just focus on your customers. Who are they? What are they looking for? What kind of problems are they facing? How can you position yourself as a trusted guide to get them to where they want to be? And what are some offers that we can present them that are going to be very attractive and very optimized offers? When we have our messaging all figured out, then designing the website becomes a matter of just how do we position each of our messages and in what order. We can use different layouts, but the point is the messaging is actually the single most powerful part of the website, because after all, the website's only there to hold the message and to deliver the message on a visual UI. Luckily, if you want to get started with messaging, there's a framework called StoryBrand, which is a 7-step framework which takes you from start to finish and will take care of all your messaging. I hold a StoryBrand workshop with all of my clients, and it really helps us narrow down that message. So your customers, your site visitors that are on your website, they're using your website as a test to see how credible of a company you actually are. Can you deliver what you say you can deliver? And can they trust you? This also goes for investors and other partners. They want to know that they can trust you, and one of the first things they will see is your website design, and the companies that have the budget to invest in good design are normally successful companies. And so even if you're not successful yet, you're just getting started, by having a really high quality website design, you're actually putting yourself in the big leagues of bigger startups, bigger companies through that visual identity. You want nice white space, beautiful layouts, but also simplicity, bold. We want things to show your brand and have some unique things, maybe some animations that are characteristic to your brand, colors, typography. And with a website that's well designed, the user is never only 1 or 2 clicks away from converting, from performing that action that you want them to perform. Now, finally, the last step is lead generation. Creative ways that you can convince people to reach out and engage with your business on your website. So this could be video pop-ups. It could be building targeted offers and targeted landing pages for each of your customer segments. And each landing page is specifically designed and written with messaging for that customer segment. Because some companies have multiple, 3, 4, 5 customer segments, and each of these customer segments need their own landing page. And this is how we create conversions. We can run ads to those landing pages, but we've got to make sure the traffic is the right traffic matching for the messaging on that page. And when people come to our homepage, we segment them early, making sure that they can get directed to the right information as soon as possible. We want to have an offer on each one of these pages that is specifically designed for that user, with things like benefits that they care about, features that are relevant to them, so that when they're on the page, they really feel like, yeah, this is a product, this is a service that I can really see value in, and they're going to reach out to you.